Chapter 14 Light. Today we will talk a little bit about formation of image by a concave lens. This is your concave lens, where middle part is thinner, at the edge thicker. We have to draw the image formation by this concave lens. Remember that a concave lens always produces a virtual, erect and diminished image, that is smaller in size, diminished, lying between the optical center and the focus. First sketch or first ray diagram when the object is at infinity. So this is your concave lens. Object is kept far away. Now we have to draw its image. When the ray of light is going parallel to the principal axis, after refraction it will go away, it will bend, as if it is coming from this focus. Same thing from the bottom also. After refraction it will go away, as if it is coming from this F. As it is, concave lens you will draw, center you mark by O, principal axis you will draw. O to F and F to 2F distance has to be same. You can keep 2 units gap, 2 centimeter gap. So at focus the image is forming. So when the object is kept at infinity, the image is forming at focus. Image is virtual, because same side it is forming, virtual, erect and very small, and forming on the same side. When the image is forming on the same side, it has to be virtual. It won't be real, it won't be inverted, but it is point size image. Now second one, when the object is at the focus. If the object is kept at the focus before the concave lens, in this concave lens, central point is optical center. Same way you draw principal axis. Optical center to this distance, this to F, this to 2F has to be same. All you can keep 2 centimeter gap. Then object is kept at focus. When the ray of light is going parallel to principal axis, after refraction it will be going away, as if it is coming from this focus. And when the ray of light is going through the optical center, it will be remains undeviated. No bending, no refraction. Both will cross each other here. So here the image will form. Image is virtual, erect, smaller than the object, forming between focus and optical center and on the same side of the object. So these two sketches, that is we used to call ray diagram, which you are going to draw in your class copy by today itself. Yesterday I told you to draw when the object is between focus and optical center by the convex lens. When the object is at focus, I hope you have drawn. Again, when the object is between F and 2F, when the object is kept at infinity, I think already drawn by you. And whenever you are forming the image, make sure that the rules should be followed. These are the rules which I told you to prepare it. Definition of lenses, convex, concave lens, uses of lenses. Whenever the ray of light is passing through the convex lens, it will be converges, and whenever the ray of light is passing through the concave lens, it will be always diverges, seems to be appear from one point. That's why it is called by diverging lens also. So for today your work, only these two ray diagram to draw, and to remember that when the object is kept at infinity in front of concave lens, image will form at focus only. It will be virtual, erect and smaller, very small, point size you can say. And when the object is kept at the focus, then the image will be formed between focus and optical center. It will be virtual, erect and smaller than the object and forming on the same side. With this I'll conclude today. Bye.